Hi everybody, this video is to help with the work on Tuesday and Thursday of week 5. The work for Thursday looks a little bit different because those problems do not have the unit cube lines drawn out, but either way, we're going to be doing the same process. So we talked in class today about counting up how many unit cubes there are for each dimension. So for here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 unit cubes along the bottom of this for the length. We have a length of 7. We have 1, 2 unit cubes here. So our width is 2. This is 2 cubes wide. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again unit cubes tall. It has a height of 7. Now that we know, I'm sorry, I'm having to laugh. If you hear that loud music in the background, it is this taco truck that drives past my house every day blaring loud music, sort of like a grown-up version of an ice cream truck. Anyway, back to the math work. Once we know our length, our width, and our height, and on the Thursday page it simply tells us those numbers, we can use multiplication to find the answer. So we need to use 7 times 2 times 7. And that's going to equal our volume. I know from my math facts that 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 7, geez, I don't know that in my head. I only know up to 7 times 10. Kids, if you're feeling panicked that you don't know your 7s all the way up to 14, remember, you can just solve the problem on scratch paper. 7 times 4 is 28. Put down the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2, 8, 9. So we have a volume of 98 cubic units. We don't know if they're inches or centimeters or whatever, so we just can say it's 98 cubic units. Hope that helps.